Good afternoon, students and everyone. Thursday and new homework, 4th of May. We're using English workbook, page 12. Today we're reading text. Names The New Friend. Let's read together. The new friend. Toby and Tiny are tortoises. They are brothers. They eat and play together. Two tortoises. But one day, Toby can't find Tiny. He is sad and scared. He sees an elephant. I can't find my brother, says Toby. The elephant is big. She looks and looks. She can see a tortoise. Is that your brother? She asks. Yes, says Toby. Thank you. Now, Toby and Tiny have a new friend, Elsie the elephant. They all play together. Great. That's the text for today. 2 tortoises and 1 elephant. They are all friends. Right, so let's answer questions. That is that your brother? You answer, and so let's say 3 words. First, fun. Fun. 2, lunch. Lunch, for eating. And 3, dinner. Dinner. That's all. Great job for today, students. Do it. You are the best. See you. Bye bye.
I like to play all day. What do you say?